birding in 40 degrees in the Guadelentin Valley here in Murcia in southern Spain. As the title says, it's 40 degrees and it's pretty hot, but I'm doing all right this afternoon. I've come here to look at the golden orioles again. Haven't been here for a couple of weeks now. I had to go back to England for a few days, but it rained for 3 days while I was there, and then I came back. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with the golden orioles now.
And the birding gods must have been looking down upon me. I've not only got one, I've got actually 2 male golden orioles within 100 metres of each other. I have one above me, singing his head off, and I've got this one in front of me who's absolutely panting away in this heat wave, having a bit of a preen showing off and displaying, but he's doing alright, but I'm not doing manual focus. I've been totally carried away listening to the bird above me.
Oh, that's got it. Be it got that one. Is he going to come back to his favourite perch? Come on. Oh no, there's one branch with a couple of leaves on it, and it keeps sitting behind it. I'd catch it in the sun, in the afternoon sun, if it just sat on the same one, but it's missing it every time.
When I get manual focus right, it's pretty impressive with this P950 camera. The bee is in focus at all times, and look at the branch in front of it. Pretty amazing, that. This bird is working a corridor between the trees and picking off the bees and the wasps as they go past. But it's panting away, it's hard work out there.
June. I think June has broken all records for heat. We have had a proper couple of heat waves. Normally in June we're into sort of low 30 degrees. Normally we're 30, 33, 34 degrees is our average temperature for June. And we've had a lot of 38s and 39s, and including 2 40s. And I'm sat here this afternoon in 40 degrees. And I'm feeling it. But sometimes you've got to just come at different times of the day. Where I'm sat now is no good. It's, oh, here goes the golden oriole again. Where's he going? Where's he going? The valley I live in is agricultural, so there are a lot of people around first thing in the morning, you know, going out on the fields, or dog walkers, etc., because of the heat. So sometimes you have to sort of go outside of the box, as it were, and at the wrong times of day to get the video. It's not too bad. The little ring plovers, I just could not believe it. The fact they've got a nest within 1 foot of the road, and it's 40 degrees, and I've taken the temperature off the tarmac next to them, and it's 62 degrees. But I'm guessing the theory of nesting so close to the road is there's no predators, because obviously there's a lot of marsh harriers and a lot of raptors. So I guess being there, but makes it very difficult for me because I can't sit too near it, because I might actually force a lorry off the road onto the nest, and that's the last thing I want to do.
The plover is actually just stood above the eggs, not actually sat on the eggs. It's that hot now, as you can see from the heat haze coming off the tarmac in front of me.
We've done quite well in my garden this year. We've had the goldfinches, the greenfinches. We've had some great tits. The other reason I'm sat here is for these spotted flycatchers. There is a pair here, and I've got the odd good photograph in here of them. But they are so quick. Every time I set the camera up on a perch, think that's it, that's where they're going to go back to. They never do. It's like everything in life.
Spotted flycatcher. It's 40 degrees in the afternoon and they're still working hard. I must admit, I'm sweating my tits off.
The roller nests are doing quite well, actually. I've got 5 roller nests, and they all seem to be there. Last year I had 6, and for whatever reason, one nest is not being used this year. Yeah, it's got to be a lot said for staging shots and only giving them one perch. Whereas here, they land wherever they land, and I have to try and find them quickly. And very rarely do you do it, but we're trying. As you can see, I've got the roof open today because the golden oriole actually keeps landing in the tree above me and looking down. and I can't get a photograph up through the roof, obviously. But these things are set to try us, and I'm sure it's playing with me. The black-winged stilt seem to have had quite a few youngsters this year, from what I can see walking around some of the irrigation ponds, so that's quite nice to see. I do like seeing the black-winged stilts. I have seen the marsh harriers a few times in June, quite a long way from where I think they would be nesting. Obviously, the territory is quite a big place. But in this, like, 30+ degrees, even with this Nikon P950 camera, the zoom lens at 2000mm is absolutely fantastic. But the heat haze, then, you know, you see a bird a kilometre away. It's great in the winter if you can track it. But here in the summer, you know, 30+ degrees, you can't track them. You can't even see them in the heat haze. I'll pick a picture up of a marsh harrier, and that's why you don't see many of them. Oh. Hang on a minute. It's just a couple of branches in the way still, every time. Doesn't matter where I put the car, I could move around the tree slightly now as the sun's gone round, but I'll stick it out here now. I've not got long left on the battery. I've got a date with my swimming pool in a minute when I leave here. I'll tell you, before I do any editing whatsoever, I'll be having a dip in that pool. That's all you can do here at the moment. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.